This week, Washington State kicked about 5,000 families off of its welfare program, temporary assistance to needy families. Those who keep their monthly check from the state will now get less money. KXLY4 Sally Showman spoke with people directly impacted by the cuts, and she's live tonight. Sally?
Dave, the people who get help from the state are some of the same people who come here to WorkSource looking for a job. These cuts come at a time when unemployment is still hovering around 9% in Washington State, and the need for the welfare program TANF has increased by about 30% in the last 2 years.
Everybody needs help sometime or another.
We met Mary Hayward as she waited for her husband outside WorkSource Spokane.
It's really hard to get a decent paying job.
The two have applied for 16 jobs today alone. Unemployed with 5 mouths to feed, they rely on the state for help.
Before the cuts, it helped us in every way, shape, and form. We had just enough money to budget for the whole month that we had everything we needed. Now, I find myself struggling to find the extra couple dollars for shampoo or a box of diapers.
Between applying for jobs, the family made a pit stop at Vanessa Behan Crisis Nursery to pick up an emergency bag of donated diapers, something they say they can't afford with the recent cuts.
I never thought I'd find myself going to so many resources for just the basics.
We really can't balance our budget problems on the backs of the poorest of the poor. It's unbecoming to us. We're a better state than that.
Marianne Murphy is the executive director of Partners with Family and Children. 95% of people she serves rely on TANF.
It kind of makes me crazy because very often the children that we see here are victims of crime, and whoever committed this crime against them, we pay more to incarcerate them than we do to continue to support these families. And that just seems out of balance to me.
As of February 1st, about 5,000 families were kicked off the TANF program statewide. The nearly 70,000 families that continue to receive benefits will get 15% less. So a family of 3 who used to get $562 per month now gets $478. And a family of 5, like Mary's, goes from $762 to $648.
Desperate, sad, makes me feel like I can't really provide for my kids because we relied on that money so much and now it's gone.
The families who were completely cut off of the welfare system are those who have been on TANF for 5 years or more and do not qualify for an extension. These cuts will save the state about $50 million. Live in Spokane tonight, Sally Showman, KXLY4 HD News.